there ever been amazed by the way tiny babies can snore just like grown-ups? Join me as we dive into the comical world of baby snores. Those moments when tiny tots sound like sleepy grandpas. You might wonder, why do they snore? Well, it's often just a stuffed up little nose or sleeping in a funny position. But let's be real, it's their adorable, cheeky way to take center stage while everyone's asleep. Stay tuned to catch some hilarious yet heart-melting videos of the world's cutest sounding snoozers. Don't forget, in the realm of nighttime sounds, babies might just hold the championship title.